Kua tīmata ngā whānau ki te hoki atu ki o rātou kāinga ki te aro matawai i ngā hua o te mahi hikareia aru aumoko. Hei tā te whānau o Peter Ogle o Ngāpuhi e kore pēr e tāia e rātou te aha i tū atu i te tū māro i te taha o te hapori o New Brighton i o tautahi.
Kua pakaru te whare o te whānau Ogle no Ngāpuhi. Kua tī hai hoki o rātou moia. What was your first reaction when you arrived here?
I was really sad, I was angry.
Tuatahi me whakawātea i tētahi huarahi ki te kuaha o tō rātou kāinga.
I know my wife and child they're scared of their home now.
You know, I've got a 12-year-old daughter. I'm not putting her in here.
Koinei te momo o ngā kōrero kei te puta mai ia rā mo ngā whānau Māori kei te taha rāwhiti o tautahi.
This is our lounge.
Yeah.
As you can see, we've got a big crack down here. I can actually see my neighbours. I've got a big crack in the ceiling here. I've got another crack on the side there. And when you come into the lounge, you can actually feel it going up and down.
Karekau he hiko, karekau he wai mo te inu.
It's all gone now.
Karekau he wai hoki mo te wharepaku. Kāore e tāia e tēnei whānau, te noho ki konei.
Get out of there.
Now, you just lost your mother.
Yeah, she wouldn't have survived this one if she was here.
I wainga i te paru, tai mai ai, he ringa āwhina. Out of the houses you've been to, what's the state of this one? Is this one of the worst?
Yeah, I'd say so, eh? Just heaps of silt, eh? All around the house, eh? Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
You got to get the emotions out of the way and look at how dangerous this house is now and not healthy by all the sewage and the stuff that's bubbled out of the ground.
Kāore te whānau Ogle e mōhio heha kei tua o te awe māpara. Engari te whakapono ka toi tū anō rātou.
This is a tougher one second time around, and we can get through it. We got to get through it. And there's a lot of supportive people, strangers like these ones here. They just come in and help you. But we'll get by.
Roihana Nuri, Te Karere.